7 Amazing Health Benefits of Flax Seeds. Flax seeds are tiny, but they pack an enormous nutritional punch. Heralded as a superfood, flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, and they offer several unique health benefits. From heart health to digestive wellness, here are 7 compelling reasons why flax seeds should be a part of your daily diet. Heart-healthy omega-3s. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that helps to lower cholesterol and has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. ALA is a precursor to eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, other essential omega-3 fatty acids found in fish. For those who follow a vegetarian or plant-based diet, flax seeds can be a crucial way to obtain these vital nutrients. High in lignans. Lignans are a type of plant compound with antioxidant properties. Flax seeds contain a substantial amount of lignans, particularly secoisolarisuresinol diglucoside, SDG, which has been associated with a lower risk of chronic conditions, including cardiovascular disease, by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Supports digestive health. The combination of soluble and insoluble fiber in flax seeds can help support a healthy gut. The soluble fiber content contributes to softening the stool, while the insoluble fiber encourages regular bowel movements. This can help prevent constipation and promote overall digestive health. May help with weight management. The fiber and healthy fat content in flax seeds can support weight management by helping you feel full and satisfied after eating. Including flax seeds in your meals can potentially help reduce overall caloric intake by curbing hunger and reducing the risk of overeating. Promotes skin and hair health. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds are necessary for healthy skin and hair. They help to keep skin hydrated and can improve conditions such as eczema. Research also suggests that flax seeds may help prevent hair loss and promote hair growth, making them a valuable addition to your beauty regimen. Aids in menopause symptoms. Flax seeds are known for their ability to ease some of the discomfort that comes with menopause. Lignans, found in high amounts in flax seeds, have estrogenic properties that can help alleviate hot flashes and vaginal dryness. However, as with any natural remedy, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider about the appropriate intake for your specific needs. May reduce the risk of certain cancers. The lignans in flax seeds have been researched for their potential in reducing the risk of breast cancer, particularly for postmenopausal women. Other studies have also suggested that flax seeds could play a role in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. While more research is needed, these initial findings are promising for the role of flax seeds in cancer prevention. You can reap these 7 amazing health benefits by incorporating just a few tablespoons of ground flax seeds into your daily diet. Whether sprinkled over your morning cereal, added to a smoothie, or included in baking, flax seeds are a versatile and nutrient-dense inclusion to your meals. Just remember to consume them ground, as whole flax seeds may pass through the digestive system undigested, negating some of the benefits.